Hi everyone, we know there are different data types in C, for example, integer, character, float, double, valueless, etc. And these data type varies in size and ranges. For example, character holds 1 byte of memory, its ranges from minus 128 to 127. Similarly, for integer, it is minus 32,768 to 32,767. How is this range calculated? That is what we are going to see today. The range of a C data type is determined by its size in bits and whether it is signed or unsigned. So we need to keep two things in mind. First thing is determine the size in bits and check whether it is assigned or unsigned. The calculation for these ranges is based on the number of bits available to represent the value. So we'll move on into the content. The content includes determine the number of bits, signed or unsigned, and I'm going to tell you what is the magnitude, calculation for signed data types, calculation for unsigned data types, finally the summary. Determine the number of bits. So we use the size of operator to determine the number of bits allocated for each data type. In general, we say 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, that is 8 bits per byte. I've given you an example. Size of int. This is the way we calculate the size of a data type. So integer has 4 bytes and the calculation is 4 into 8 is equal to 32 bits. The next thing is we need to check whether it is a signed or unsigned data type. So what is a signed data type and what is an unsigned data type? So signed data type stores both positive and negative integers by using 1 bit to represent the sign. For example, character has 1 byte, that is 8 bits. Out of 8 bits, 1 bit we represent the sign. The remaining 7 bits only we use it for the calculation. Similarly, what is unsigned data type? So it stores only positive integers by using all available bits for the magnitude. So what is this magnitude? Refers to the number of bits available to store the value of a numeric data type, excluding the bit used to represent the sign. As I told you before, a character has 1 byte, which is 8 bits. Out of 1 bit, we use it for the sign, that is whether it is positive or negative. The remaining 7 bits only we use to store the value of a numeric data type. So that is what we call it as the magnitude. So the magnitude varies whether it is a depending on whether it is a signed or unsigned data type. The next is we are going to calculate the range for signed data types. So I have given you a simple steps. So reserve 1 bit for the sign, that is positive or negative. So we take 0 to represent the positive numbers and 1 to represent the negative bits. The remaining n minus 1 bits represent the magnitude. So the minimum value to calculate is, the formula is minus 2 power n minus 1. And the maximum value, how we calculate, is 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. So I'm giving an example. So to calculate the signed character, which is holding 8 bits. So minimum, how we calculate is minus 2 power, here n is 8. So 8 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 power 7. We get it minus 128. Then how we calculate the maximum is 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. That is 2 power 7 minus 1, we get 127. So the binary value for 127 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So usually in C, how we calculate the negative value is by taking the 2's complement. So if you take the 2's complement for this number, we get 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is what we call it as. That is what minus 128. And I told you the negative is represented with 1 and the positive is represented with 0. So here you can see here the most significant bit we are representing with 1. So it indicates it is a negative value. If the most significant bit is 0, it means it is a positive value. So hence the character range is minus 128 to 127. So similarly, how to calculate the range for unsigned data types? So all n bits are used to represent the magnitude. As there is no negative value here, we use the whole n bits. As there is no sign bit. So here the minimum value is 0, the maximum value is 2 power n minus 1. So I'm taking the same data type character, but I am prefixing with unsigned data type. So for unsigned character, we have 8 bits. So minimum is 0. The maximum is 2 power n minus 1. That is 2 power 8 minus 1, which is equal to 255. So the 255 binary value is 111, 111, and 11. So hence the character range for unsigned character is 0 to 255. So in summary, so how we what we did here is we have calculated the data type range. So how we have to do is we need to think we need to have two things in mind, that is determine the number of bits, whether it is signed or unsigned, and then check for the magnitude, whether it is signed or unsigned. We'll get to know the magnitude for the calculation, then calculate the minimum and maximum values based on the magnitude. So with this we deduct the range. Thank you.